Hello everyone, this is Zeke of YYC Athletes. We are at the Jack Simpson Gym. We are with the one and only Negro Sniper, the former FEU Tamarao hotshot, Mr. Jeff Chan of the Gilas Pilipinas Legends. Sir Jeff, welcome to Calgary. Kamusta naman po ang iyong first few days so far here in Calgary?
Masaya kasi nga first time ko sa Canada and ang ganda-ganda rin pala dito, no? Nakapag-road trip ako konti with my friend, no? And nice. Welcoming yung mga Filipino friends natin dito, sobrang ano ba to? Wini-welcome kami.
The Filipino hospitality.
Yes, siyempre lagi. I remember nung we were in Gilas, no? Kahit malayo kami, pinupunta kami.
Yeah,
you know? May mga dalang adobo, sinigang.
Meron namang nabigyan ng adobo ngayon?
Wala pa. Okay lang kasi 2 days pa lang naman tayo dito. Hindi pa, di ba?
Yes. Jeff, speaking of Gilas, andito ka ngayon for the Gilas Pilipinas Legends Canada Tour. Ano ba ang purpose ng Gilas Pilipinas Legends? Bakit sila nagpunta ngayon dito sa Canada?
Well, first, siguro best is to reconnect with the mga OFWs natin, mga friends, no? And mabigyan natin ng kasiyahan, no? Alam natin na hindi sila nakapunta pag kasi PBA Games, Gilas Games, you know, at least kami nandito, no? Salamat also sa invitation, no? Nandito kami para ma-meet sila. You know, hopefully yung iba nga natutuwa kami kasi naalala pa rin kami. Like kahapon, naglalakad tayo sa mall. Uy, Jeff, uy, LA game, brother. Gumagano'n sila. So, nakakataba ng puso. No? So, sorry, wait lang. Tapusin ko na to. Trabaho lang.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, so, yun. Hopefully, mabigyan namin ng magandang laban. Especially, mabigat yung kalaban tonight. But, yun lang. Mabigyan na namin siya. Saya.
And I know you have to practice now for the game against University of Calgary Dinos. Last question na lang siguro para to make this quick. Okay, Jeff, what is the most memorable Gilas moment of your career?
It's probably the Korea game. Always kahit na
this was in 2013
FIBA Asia.
FIBA Asia, no? At Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia.
Yes.
It's our first time again na nakabalik sa World Cup. Yung ticket natin, no? Masasabi ko na hindi ko siya makalimutan. I think everyone also. Ako personally, kahit may mga games ako maganda sa World Cup, I still choose the Korea game kasi very emotional. Lahat, no? So nakikita mo sa buong gym actually. Maybe sa mga TV rin sa bahay nila, sobrang emotional lahat.
So, and I was one of those emotional people. So thank you for bringing that pride, that glory. Thank you for breaking that Korean curse, sabi nga nila.
I know.
And yes, and then definitely sa fan side, that's one of the most memorable games moments as well.
Right?
And Jeff, please invite naman yung mga fans natin to please watch the game this afternoon against the University of Calgary.
Yes, sana mga kababayan natin, sana magkita-kita po tayo dito sa University of Calgary. Mamaya
6
p.m. di ba? Against
tough team, University of Calgary.
Medyo mabigat sila. I think ang ganda ng record nila, di ba? So 10-3 ba? Mamaya 10-4 na.
There you go. Well, that's it. Thank you so much, Jeff Chan of the Gilas Pilipinas Legends. And that's it for me. My name is Zeke of YYC Athletes. Thanks for watching.